The EV evolution is here, and Halibrand's rolling into the 21st century with a full line of flow-formed aluminum wheels, dubbed the Hyper Kinetic HB003 for your Tesla. With offsets and widths custom tailored to your model, you'll be able to fit a wider than stock wheel under the rear of your Tesla, enhancing the appearance while optimizing the traction and handling characteristics of your vehicle. Choose a balanced look with a set of our 19-inch, 20-inch, or 21-inch wheels for your Tesla, or swap it up with a variety of offsets for a staggered look. Adding a pair of our optional 10-inch wheels to the rear of your Tesla will help you put more rubber to the pavement. Choose your next set of Halibrand Hyper Kinetic wheels in silver or anthracite finish. They come clear-coated for extra durability and increased protection against the elements. Halibrand uses a computer-simulated design process known as finite element analysis when we design our wheels. The FEA process helps us detect static and dynamic load stresses that are induced on the wheel. With this information, we're able to design a much more durable wheel that exhibits excellent fatigue strength. Halibrand wheels are manufactured using an industry-leading process known as flow forming. This technology stretches and compresses the aluminum by applying pressure to the inner barrel of the heated wheel while it's spinning. The result is a wheel that's nearly 5 pounds lighter than the factory wheel, yet stronger and has an increased tensile strength for greater impact resistance. Halibrand's hyperkinetic wheels accept most factory and aftermarket lug nuts. We also include a center cap, or the factory cap style Tesla units can be reused. For fitment and availability of your next set of Halibrand wheels, visit us at holley.com.